Nexgrill Stainless Steel 3-burner is the big bang for the backyard entry. It advertises a roomy cooking area. The product text lists as much as -462 SQ plus a 164 SQ in warming rack on some SKUs. 3 burners producing strong, even heat. The listing notes 13,500 BTU per burner on certain versions, porcelain-coated cast iron grates, a double-door storage cabinet and 1-button electronic ignition. Nexgrill tends to aim at people who want large capacity and lots of features without the highest price tags, and this listing reflects that mix: big racks, stainless frames, and practical storage. In everyday terms, you get a party-ready grill that's built for feeding groups, long cooking runs, lots of burners for different zones, and a cabinet that hides your tank and tools. Customers on the product page praise the space and the usable heat output. Common negatives in reviews focus on assembly complexity and occasional complaints about paint or minor hardware alignment. If you host regularly or need a grill that scales, many burners, big grates, Nexgrill gives you the most cooking real estate for the money in this roundup. Pros are obvious: big cooking area, multiple heat zones, good accessory storage and sturdy grates. Cons: size and weight. It's not for small balconies, and you might need to tune or tweak parts after assembly for perfect fit. Shows this as a feature-rich option with strong buyer interest. Follow the link for the live price. We share by links in the description box.